Hi, everyone. I am so excited to be with you for the Techbuskers Maker Camp. This is your big inaugural event. It's going to be fantastic. You're going to make, code, design, create, and learn a lot. Broadcom Foundation is so pleased to partner with you and be part of your maker family. We believe that making things is the way to learn, to use your project-based learning skills, your 21st century skills, especially the 21st century plus skill, which is coding. For the teachers who are joining you, I am so excited that not only are you participating in the camp, but you'll be able to take what you learned back into the classrooms and spread the joy of coding with other kids as you go forward. For the kids that are participating, have fun. Don't forget to be good teammates, work with your partners, and learn to really collaborate and create together because in the end, you're going to be making it in Zimbabwe. Good luck.